Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Snapchat. Tap your profile icon, then the gear to open settings. Once in settings, move straight to privacy controls and contact syncing. You do this because Quick Add and Contact Sync are the two places Snapchat uses to surface friends. Make sure your phone is nearby. You may need to leave the app and change system permissions. Now locate See Me in Quick Add and Contacts. These are the first switches you'll flip to stop Find Friends. Now you disable the features that create friend suggestions. First, toggle off See Me in Quick Add so your account stops appearing. Next, under Contacts and Settings, choose Manage and tap Delete All Contacts to remove uploaded numbers. Once done, leave Snapchat and open your phone's app permissions. Revoke Contacts access for Snapchat so it cannot reupload. These steps stop both you showing up and Snapchat scanning your address book for friends. This is the only reliable combo. Finish by restarting Snapchat and verifying the changes. Open settings and confirm See Me in Quick Add is off and Contacts shows 0 entries. If you still see Find Friends suggestions, clear the app cache from settings, force quit the app, and recheck your phone's contacts permission. Sometimes it regrants after updates. If that doesn't work, sign out and sign back in, then verify again. This final troubleshooting tip, clear cache and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.